Lucas from Sweden is saying, Sham, I'm always being harassed by my guests. They always negotiate with me. They ask to give stuff, get free stuff. How can I handle that without hurting the reputation of my restaurants and without letting them abuse of my hospitality and my generosity? And we're going to talk about that in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Hello everybody, my name is Sham, known in the community as a responsible restaurant owner. I've been opening and running restaurant catering companies out of the Silicon Valley, California since 2008, and recently I started to reach out and start to help other restaurant owners and future restaurant entrepreneurs. Lucas, thank you so much for reaching out. Buddy, we all went through an experience like that when the guests will just are unhappy with the service, the experience they have, and they will like to negotiate and see if they can get either free things. Most of the time it is in their right to ask for things. Let me explain. We are in the hospitality industry and it is paramount. I will go far and beyond. I will bend backwards to ensure that my guests are leaving my restaurants happier than the way they came in. Here is, however, the limit, Lucas, and I encourage you to do the same. You will go far and beyond within reason until they threaten you. As the moment a guest will threaten you, your restaurant, your establishment, writing bad reviews, doing something bad that will hurt you as a business, that's when all the previous offers get removed from the table and I will ask them to pay and leave. This is a reputation protection business, and do not ever let anybody threaten any one of you or your team members in your restaurants. And that's my question to that. I would love to keep in touch. Please do check the comments below. Do you have any other suggestion on how you handle PC customers? Sometimes they're in their right, sometimes they are not. And until we meet again, remember the secret ingredient is love, baby. It's love.